Hi, welcome back to Ringo-Media. Today we're going to be looking at an app called Downloader. A very useful app to have on your Firestick. It can help download various applications from different sites by using a short code, just a few numbers usually, rather than having to type in the whole HTTP web address. So let's get into this today. So from your home screen, go to the Find magnifying glass and click Search. In there type Downloader or Download down, and you'll see the first one comes up as Downloader. Select that. You can see there's a couple of versions. Most of them are fake apart from this one with the big D and the word Downloader underneath it. That's the original that we want. So click on that, and from there click on Download. It will then in a few seconds download it and then install it for you. Once it's installed, click Open App, and from there that will open the application for you so that you can use it. From here, if you just click OK and then allow Downloader to access files and media. That's needed so that it can put the files onto your stick for you. That's the box where you can type in the short code. We'll touch on that more later. But in the meantime, we're going to go into the Firestick settings. There's something else we need to do in there to make this work properly. So go to Settings and My Fire TV. In there, you should see Developer Options. If you don't, you'll need to click on the About 7 times until it appears. So once it is there, scroll down to Developer Options, Install Unknown Apps, and click on Downloader. There you'll see it says On. That then allows you to install apps from that particular program onto your Firestick. Hope that's good for you and that you find use of that. We'll touch on more later on. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Please leave any comments or any other videos you'd like to see, and I'll do what I can for you to try and help you keep your Firestick running smoothly. Enjoy your streaming. From Hayden at Ringo-Media, thank you, take care and speak to you soon.